It's time to get my elderberry in the ground. And I finally decided where it's going to go. It's going to go right back there in that corner. It's the perfect spot because it can come up and spread as much as it wants back there because I never go back there. And then it does get more sun, which it will like. And I want to save my other area that I've been clearing out for things that I know are gonna behave well and not try and take over. I hope that makes sense. So I'm gonna tromp back there and get that elderberry in the ground. And I have 2 Dahoon Hollies that have been waiting to be planted too. They're gonna go behind me right here so we can extend like the bird garden from the potted tree house down there all through this garden space where Ray is, and then it'll come over here. Then we'll have like, these are viburnums that are still decent, and then we'll have the elderberry there, and then these are my who are you, sassafras trees. And then, oh my gosh, my marlberries got hit with the freeze. I don't know if they're going to come back yet. But I'm going to put the 2 Dahoon Hollies there. They get really tall and narrow, and the birds love the berries, but they're dioecious. That's how you say it, right? Meaning there's a male and a female. So I have 2. And since there's not berries on them right now, it's kind of challenging to tell who they are, but it's okay. Hopefully one's a female and I'll get berries. So let's go get those in the ground. Okay, so now I've started a whole thing back here because when I come back here, there is a lot of passiflora incense growing up. And so I want to stick a trellis there. You can see it's growing up the fence, but I want to angle a trellis out and let it just grow exclusively on the trellis. I mean, look at that. That's a nice long piece. So there's one there and there and there, and I can probably fit them all on one wider trellis. And then, like, I'm just taking out a little bit of this cast iron plant, so there's a little bit wider space in here. And I'll probably like put the elderberry kind of like right in like there where it's getting all that good sun. Ugh. Or maybe back more in the corner. Okay, well, I'm just going to take a little bit more of this cast iron plant out and see what I see. See if it like starts to form in my mind what I want to do. Because this is great space back here, you guys. And it's great for like bird plants. So, because I'm not going to be tromping back here to photograph butterflies. But yeah, the birds love it. It's a corner of nothing that can become something. I love it. All right, I'm going for more like right smack in the corner. So made a decision and I'm gonna stick with it. All right, there you go. Isn't it cute? Imagine when that's gonna get up. It can get like 15 feet tall and kind of fill out. It'll like buffer all this area and have flowers and berries for birds. I love it. And it'll attract pollinators. Okay, next. Okay, so I got a little trellis in here, and I'm going to very gently pluck this passiflora incense. Look how it's holding on to the fence. Off of this fence. There we go. And I'm gonna bring it over here. Start wrapping it around. These snap really easily, so you have to be very careful. You don't want to bend them too much because that's a good long stem. And I want it to stay there. Look at that, all the way up. Okay, there's another one right here. And I'm just gonna see, let's get you wrapped around there gently. And then we'll tuck that one in there. And then there's another one back behind. I'll pull forward. Oh no, what are we stuck on? Nope. Okay. I'm doing this one-handed, you guys. This would be much easier if I had two hands, especially with trying not to damage the stems. Let's put you through there. There we go. Oh yes, I know some little butterflies that are gonna love coming out and finding you here. Let's take it over there and around to there. Okay, look at that. That's gonna grow fast on there. And you know, there's some more coming back over here. I could go dig these up. See that one there? And there's one there. I could dig those up and move them, but I think I'm gonna leave them there for now. Oh, there's another one back there. There's a really big one coming up here. Oh, how wonderful it would be if I were to come back here and find eggs on this. I haven't seen any zebra longwing butterflies or Gulf fritillaries. I'm gonna let this one be and just let it grow on the fence, but I like the little trellis back here. All right, little trellis is there. It's gonna be covered in passiflora incense. Did a butterfly just fly through there? I feel like I just saw something fly through there. And then there is my little elderberry back there. Okay, getting a little something going on back in this corner. Here it is from out here. Can't really see the elderberry, but we will. While I am working up here, I've got these two Dahoon Hollies, like I mentioned. I want to get those planted too. But I also have this pot on a little riser, so I think I'm going to swap it out for this clay pot. You sit right there, sir. And get some zinnia seeds going, because what's nice about this location is, does this fit in there? No, that looks dumb. What's nice about this location is it's high, so I can like start zinnias and my dogs won't eat them because my dogs eat zinnia seedlings. I'll just sprinkle some of these in that pot. And that gives me another idea. But first, I'm going to get these Dahoon Hollies in the ground because we are not putting that off any longer. Okay, I keep stopping and thinking about those little Dahoon Hollies. They've been sitting there for a while and they're very happy there. So I know they'll be very happy here. And I'm going to put one here and one over there. I'm just going to dig the holes and put them in the ground and stop thinking about it. And my two marlberries, I just pulled some of the dried leaves off of them. I hope they're going to come back. And right behind me, look at my cocoa plum. I hope it's gonna come back because they're just sitting there. But a lot of things are just sitting there. Oh my goodness. Okay, Dahoon Hollies are in. 1, 2, right where I said, no more thinking about it. I'm gonna go water everybody I just planted, including those seeds over there in that pot, and then I'll be back. You guys, I just saw a horse's dusky wing. It's on the ageratum in the hanging basket. You see it? It'd be better if I have my camera on it. You see it? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Hello, beautiful little guy. I am so glad you found my garden. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love its fuzzy little head. This is making my day. All right, I hope I see more butterflies. I'm gonna I'm gonna leave it alone. You guys, something came in my garden room and ate. Look, my little, I was just showing these to you. My Mexican sunflower seedlings. There were 2, 3 left. So I'm potting them up and putting them inside of these. I can't even right now. It ate all the balloon milkweeds. Look, I've already taken some of the pots. That's what I use. These are my balloon milkweeds. Oh, look. No, that's butterfly. It did. It ate some of the little... So I can't even with this. Oh my gosh. Nothing is safe. Is nothing safe in my garden? I'm going to pot up these little butterfly peas and put them in the enclosures over here too. It's a good thing I have those in there. Otherwise, all that would have been eaten. Well, at least what they would have wanted. That's crazy. Let me just set that in there for right now. Oh my gosh. These little trays all have baby Mexican sunflowers. Well, one of them only had the 2, but... Okay, I'm going to start some more balloon milkweed seeds in here. I'm going to have to order some more because I only have a few left. And I'm going to put a little dome over this under the grow light so that they germinate. You know what? That's what I can do with a butterfly pea too. I can move it back over there and put domes over them. I wonder if these will grow back. Look, they didn't even eat everything. They left scraps. I mean, if you're gonna pull the plant out, okay, that's okay. We're gonna be okay. Everything's okay. I'm glad my little echinaceas are good still. It's like, maybe I'll cover them too. All these guys up here. I haven't had stuff eat my starry rosin weed, so I'd be grateful for that. You know, that makes me want to take these potted Mexican sunflowers and zinnias out of here to the garden. Let me go see if I have more cloches. This just drives me crazy. All right, I got some more seeds going and they're covered. Okay, I found the cloche to cover my zinnias. Everybody's potted up, covered. My adorable little butterfly peas, they're all up potted and safe inside. I covered my 2 little Mexican sunflowers. Not only are they high up, but they're covered. This is crazy. You know what though? I've got a million of these things. So I've got all these that are just sitting out here, and I'm not going to have them get eaten next. So I might go ahead and pot them into 1-gallon pots and kind of do the same thing. I can just set them out around in the garden in sunny spots. Look what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just planting my little seedlings in the ground and putting these little plastic covers over them. So why would I use a bunch of pots when I can just do this? And this is where I want them anyway. Hopefully nothing will eat them. Look how cute they all are. And these little domes will keep them warm for our cold nights that we're not talking about that are coming. I'll probably throw a blanket over them too. Man, that was something. Okay, so I got them all taken care of. I got the ones out here in the Mexican sunflower garden in the ground, and the rest of them are here. And I was able to squeeze a few in here and in here. So all of my little Mexican sunflower seedlings are safe. I just can't with that. And so the other fun thing I was going to do, which I'm probably not going to do now because I'm kind of thinking about winding down my day, and but I want to say, remember the raised planter that I put the zinnia seeds in? Well, I've got a lot of little plant stands. Mostly they're just stuck back in my work area right now. But I could bring them out and put them like right here and just put pots on top of the stands and throw zinnia seeds in them, because they'll be so high that the dogs won't eat them. Now, will my other little friends come and eat them? I don't know, but I can put those little plastic domes over them. I've got a bunch of them. They were cheap, and I have a big stack of them in there. Well, a big enough stack. So I love looking down here and seeing 3 red trash cans. 4? No, that's not what I was going to say. I love looking down here and seeing lots of green. Yay, green. So I don't know how much footage I have. I'm going to go sit down and see what I've got and edit it together, and we'll see if we're going to continue filming or if I'm going to be posting a video for you all tomorrow. It was so great to see that little Horace's dusky wing out here earlier. The host plant for Horace's dusky wings are oak trees, scrub oaks. These are scrub oaks. So I've got them. I've got potential for lots of little Horace's dusky wings. I think the oak trees are a host to one of the hair streaks too, maybe the gray hair streak. Yes, the scrub oak is also the host to the red banded hair streak and the white hair streak. So yay! All right, let's go see how many minutes we have. Hey everyone, it's Saturday evening. We just got home from visiting and running errands, and I had a package in the mail. I want to open it with you and tell you what I bought. So these are something I ordered from Amazon, and they are pentas that you can buy on Amazon. Now they're a little bit on, well, they're a little bit on the expensive side. I'll say that because they're like $15, $14.98, $15.98 for 2. And they're not the heirloom red pentas, but they are the, hang on a minute, let me get my tripod so I can have 2 hands. They are pink and white, and what's interesting about them is they have names, so they're cultivars. Somebody has made these pentas and named them. Now, are they gonna be tall and our butterflies gonna like them? That I can't tell you, but are pink and white, which I love, and I've seen butterflies visit pink and white pentas in my garden. So there's two in here, and they come, look at that, isn't it cute? So this one is called Orchid Illusion, and it was like $15-ish for the two of them. So here's what they look like. They're just like in loose soil, but the plants themselves look good. So let me show you something real quick. Hang on, I'll be right back again. This is not my first purchase I had made of them. These are ones that I bought a few weeks ago, and I had them in my bathroom. It was through all that cold. And I recently up potted them, and they're growing out in my growing area, you know, up on the patio where I have those little potted plants. But you can see it's doing very well. And everything about this plant looks good. So I'm pleased with the condition of the plant, and I know what they'll grow into. So I'm the kind of person that doesn't mind paying a little bit more for something that is going to be delivered to my house. I love that. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I will link them in my Amazon storefront if there's any of you, because some of you have a hard time finding pentas. Now again, I think these are going to be the tall variety. I can't tell you if butterflies will love them or not, or if they're not dwarf, but I'm hoping they're not dwarf. From the pictures online, they don't look dwarf. So only time will tell when I get them out in my garden if we actually have butterflies visit. But I thought I would at least share with you the ones I got. So let me open the other ones and I'll tell you what colors they are. Okay, I put those two back in their little bag, so I'll have their name so I can tag them like I did this one. This one was just a white pentas. But I have the other ones that I bought out there, and they have little names. Like one of them I think was Jessica, maybe. And pentas grow pretty fast. I mean, these will get decently big and they'll be blooming. You can see on this white one, look, there's already, I guess, about to flower. And one of the other, there, now you can see it. One of the other ones that I bought has an actual flower on it. So, and look at this one's got, that I'm unpacking now, is gonna bloom soon. So that's awesome. So these two are called Starburst, and I got more Jessica. And these are all gonna get potted, but then when they're bigger, my intention is for them to be in my new pentas garden that's completely empty right now. And these guys are gonna go in the house for a couple days until we get through this next cold blast. Y'all, we got in the car today. It said 90 degrees. Our high was supposed to be 86, but our car temperature said 90. And here, 2 days from now, it's going to be 31. I cannot even wrap my mind around that. This one, oh, I guess I got two of the Starburst. So I got an Orchid Illusion, a Jessica, and two Starburst. I think these were pink because I do like the pink. And look at that, both of them have have buds. So I will link these little darlings if any of you want to take a chance on them. I can say I've got 2 shipments of them from Amazon, and I am pleased with the packaging, the arrival. I don't care if they come in little things like this because I know how to grow them. That's not a problem to me, and it makes it easy for them to ship. I actually think it's a great idea. Maybe I should sell my pentas that way. I can't grow these and sell them because they are cultivars, because they have names, they belong to somebody, and you can't grow other people's stuff and sell it. I can only grow the originals, which is why I do the red, because I know those are the heirloom originals. All right, so what else did I want to say? I felt like I wanted to say something else. Did I want to say something else? So I want to say that I looked them up, the company, the last time I bought them, and to see where they were. And I feel like they were in Florida, like on the west coast of Florida. So I love that. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that. And it's after 5 o'clock. I'm trying to get out of the sunlight. Hang on. It's after 5 o'clock. And I think I've got enough footage. I might try and edit this and get it up tonight. It'll obviously go later than 7. But if I do and you miss it, it'll be there for you tomorrow on Sunday afternoon to watch. And yeah, so I'm going to go. And hopefully you'll see me tonight. And talk to me in the comments and tap the like button. Bye, everyone.